A dig from behind. Hermosura nailing the...
Hermosura goes, but great setup job also from Tax there. No leaving Ana with
Fujimoto to Hermosura, back row.
The defensive pattern for the Lady Blazers on that.
Serve galing dito kay Ash. Binigay kay Hermosura. She has been targeting the end line. Those Zam finally being activated, pero may pick-up job doon. Ana Hermosura with a bit of stare down.
Yep.
Agad-agad niyang binawi yung net touch na yon after her long shot earlier.
With elevation as well of Ana Hermosura.
Tasha goes to Hermosura.
Ana Hermosura against her former teammate. And that usual cross-court target of her.
Cortez shoot sets, choosing Ana Hermosura off the blockers.
It's a double block, no? And that time, just challenging Samantha Nolasco.
They go to Hermosura, cross-court.
Hermosura just unfazed.
That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart Arway. Our rules. Download the app now. Hermosura from the left pin. That is her favorite. Babalik po sa CSB ang kalamangan dito. Hermosura gets it through once more.
Again, Hermosura with that, just getting that ball through the hands of Basarte, the smaller blocker. I think that they should minimize. But Ana Hermosura continues to be a threat here for
double-digit showing already here for Ana Hermosura. Isa pa. Great be long one. The Chavez with the first ball. Ana from behind. Right in the corner pocket. Kanina pa siya dumedepend.
Credit to this girl here, Ana Hermosura, who's playing both defense and offense for the Blue Eagles.